Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafis Idelan. My friend, my group members, Ilyas and Fikri Irfan from Group 5 will present about double junction. Introduction of double junction. Double junctions are critical components of railway infrastructure that play a fundamental role in guiding trains from one track to another. They are specialized track configuration where two rail lines cross each other at the same elevation, facilitating the efficient and safe movement of trains. These junctions are used extensively in rail networks worldwide, and they enable trains to switch track, merge onto different lines, and perform crossover. Concept of double junctions. A double junction, also known as a diamond crossing or diamond junction, is an essential element of railway tracks designed to ensure smooth and controlled transition between different lines. They are typically found in locations where train lines intersect or where trains need to change track to reach its intended destination. At a double junction, a series of interconnected rails, switches, and ports are carefully engineered to allow trains to navigate the intersection efficiently. The design of the junction ensures that trains can traverse the crossing safely without derailing or causing disruption to rail traffic. Signals, control system, and safety measures are integrated to coordinate the movement of trains through these complex intersections. This is examples of double junction around the world. First is one of the most famous double junctions in the world, Clapham Junction in London. This bustling railway interchange serves as a prime example of how double junction facilitate the movement of thousands of commuters daily. Trains from various routes merge and diverge at this junction, connecting suburban and mainline rail service. The second one is the Gare du Nord in Paris, one of the city's major railway stations, features complex double junction to facilitate the convergence of high-speed trains, suburban services, and international rail connections. The junction here are pivotal in ensuring a smooth flow of passengers and goods across the French rail network.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ahmad Fikri Irfan and I will present about the simulations of the double junction in railway. So next we move to the simulations of the double junction in railway. As you can see in the box, it will show the 3D simulation of the double junction track, and then in the left side of this picture is the double junction track that we have done. Next, for the second pictures, it shows the code that we have done to do the simulations of the double junction. So on the top of this diagram is the code that we have done for the first train on the first track. And then the second is the second train for the second track in the double junction. So for the next slide, we move to the first simulation video that our group have done. As you can see in the left side of this video is the 2D diagram of the double junction, and then in the box is the 3D diagram of the double junction. So the first track is for the train 1, and then the second track is for the train 2. For the train 1, it will move from the terminal A and then it will go to terminal B. From terminal B, it will move to terminal A again, and then from terminal A to the terminal C. While for the second train on the second track, it will start from terminal E, which is on the top of this track, and then it will move to the terminal F and then terminal D. It will continuously repeat. Okay, next we move to the second simulation video, which is in 3D simulation. As you can see on the left side of the simulation is the first train and first track. For the right side is the second train and second track of the double junction. So you can see that the first train, it will move from terminal A to terminal B to terminal A again, and then terminal A to terminal C. It also can be to from terminal A to terminal B, and then terminal B to terminal G, which is on the top of the first track. While for the second train, it will move from the terminal E to terminal F to terminal D. It also can be from terminal E to terminal F, and then terminal F to terminal D, from terminal D to terminal H.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Idam Hussein, and I'm going to explain about the advantage and disadvantage of this double junction. There are four advantage of the double junction. For the first one is track interconnection. By using double junction, we allow train to switch track, merge onto other lines, or perform a crossover. This is important for the rail network because it's able to provide flexibility in routing train to their destination. For example, if one person from another part of the place want to go to uh, a different part of the town, so they will not have to change train to uh, get there. So they will only have to stay on the same train without stay out the train to another station to use another train to get there. So for another advantage is space efficiency. So double junction able to provide space efficient for routing train in situation where there is elevation change or they are flying over tunnel which are not practical or cost effective. So double junction can be useful in this certain part of place which have limited space. So another uh, the third advantage is improve network connectivity. So by allowing a train to move from one line to another, it will make it easier to reach a value destination without changing train. So because it have a large connectivity, it can provide an productive and efficient for the economy. And this is better for the trade. So the final one is a reduced energy consumption. So with the connectivity improvement, it able to use less energy to get one from one place to another. Since it has many connection, so you only use a small amount of energy to get to the place without consume a large amount where there is no road to get there. There's no track to get there. So that is for the advantage. Next is for the disadvantage of the double junction. So these are the four disadvantages of the double junction. For the first one is maintenance. So since the double junction are placed in the bottom part of the rail network, so it require frequent and meticulous maintenance. This is for to ensure the smooth and reliable operation of the train. Since the wear and tear can lead to defects, so a regular inspection and repair needs to be done, which this the cost for the maintenance are high. So for the second one is a safety risk. So in designing the double junction, it plays a very important part since improper design can can pose a risk for derailment or accidents. So it's a main thing. Is the safety is a main concern that need to be addressed in designing and operation of the double junction. Uh, so the third one, the disadvantage is maintenance disruption. So in this part, when a maintenance work is needed to be done on the double junction, it will be disrupt the train service and lead to delays service instruction, which can be affect the passenger comfort, where they need to be wait a lot longer than they have to. So a very uh, proper plan needs to be carried out to avoid longer delays and uh, train disruption. So the final disadvantage is the complexity. In order to design this double junction, it require a lot of carefully planning and engineering that need to be done, which can lead a higher construction value cost and maintenance costs. So that is for me, and thank you for listening to this presentation. That's it.